Shri Matre Namah, Guruji.
Sri Matre Namaha.
Guruji, my question to you is, everyone is concerned about, especially talking about the parents, about the children and the student life when we talk about. So my question is of the order that, is spirituality important for them? Does spirituality help a student life? And what is the right age that they can start imbibing spirituality in their life?
Very good question. Because most of our parents want their children to be well behaved. At the same time, they don't want them to go deep into spirituality. They are scared where they'll become sannyasis, saints. It throws light on the subject. Is spirituality necessary for students?
Correct.
Knowledge is of 4 levels. Jnana, Sujnana, Vijnana, Prajnana. Jnana comes to the student from the mother.
Right.
This is fire, you should not touch it. Vijnana comes to the student from the college and schools.
Correct.
Who teaches Sujnana and Prajnana? How to lead life. In my childhood, we used to have prayer class. Every day begins with a prayer.
Right.
We pray. Now show me any school having prayer.
That's not there, yes.
Physical training, PT class, playing games. Not many schools, very few.
True.
So this inner development is missing. External knowledge, physics, mathematics, chemistry, psychology, they can make you a winner outside in the world. But spiritual knowledge is the only one which can make you win inside.
True.
It develops continuous internal analytical skills, analyzing your thoughts, your behavior. Now there is no check. No wonder children are going into the wrong path.
True.
So much violence is there. Because there is no one to guide. We can't blame them. First of all, in studies we need focus. And focus you can have provided your parents have focus.
True.
They are busy in their own life and they do jobs in a clumsy manner. I'm sorry to say that.
True.
Where the child can get the focus from. They need a supporting technology to get the focus and stability.
True.
And our Yoga Shastra says, if you activate the lower chakras with some energy, you can get focus and stability. That's what the Yoga Shastra says. To activate that chakras, you have a sound syllabus. Gum. Of course, they relate to Ganapati. I'm not going to religion. I'm only going to spirituality, which is quite different. So I take the help of a sound energy, which we believe, which our ancestors have tested, time tested, to activate it.
Right.
So for focus and stability, this helps. For discipline, well, if you have examination, if you want to train yourself properly, you need to get up early in the morning.
True.
In the name of spiritual practices, you can get up early in the morning.
True.
And you have a specific timetable for your life. As I told you, spirituality deals with this Sujnana, the greater knowledge, Prajnana, the greatest knowledge. Greater knowledge is how to deal with the situation, patience, communication skills. Communications I need in a student life more because I will be interacting with so many people.
True.
I need to control my vocal cord.
Vocal cords.
There is a letter I'm. It activates this.
True.
Practice that. That is spirituality. You don't need to do big kalasas and big homas and pujas. But you need to train our children that there is a supporting energy called spirituality,
Beautiful.
which you cannot forget. Prahalada went into Puranas and historical books because he was spiritual at an young age.
So Guruji, let me put it this way, what you're trying to tell right now is even the crisis what the students go through today, in fact the suicidal tendencies and the depression which has become a major problem. So you mean to say spirituality can help children to overcome that also, the students?
Surely, because unfortunately in our present day generation, both father and mother are busy with their own financial and
Many other crises.
crisis and also situation created with job.
Correct.
They don't have that kind of time and energy to focus on the student
Correct.
as my parent used to have.
In those times. True.
My father and mother used to sit with us continuously.
Correct.
Show me.
Nowadays children don't have that
Online
kind of thing.
teaching.
Absolutely. Yes.
So, most of the students feel lonely. They don't have anybody to express.
True.
They feel they don't have any system to support them.
Right.
It is not the mathematics physics committee that is needed for the children. That's not the only knowledge. What kind of knowledge that is needed for student is to realize the inner strength,
True.
to make them independent, strong, ability to face any situation when they enter the family life,
True. Very true.
do their duty to the community,
True.
develop patriotism, have humanity,
Most
not
important.
taking videos when someone is dying and putting in
Yes.
Facebook.
Absolutely.
Spirituality definitely stops this kind of inhuman
Beautiful.
behavior. Don't you think so?
Yes, absolutely, Guruji.
So,
Yes.
what is the age? There is no age limit. You can start practicing at any age. But those students will be successful where the parents also join.
That
with
is the
them.
key thing. The parents also need to do it.
An ideal family should be all the family members get up at one point and pray just for 5 minutes
True.
or just meditate for 5 minutes.
The collective energies, collectively they're doing
Let them
it
recite gum, 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 gum or om, om, om.
Beautiful.
The house itself will become temple.
Absolutely.
They don't need to go to any other temple.
True.
So definitely spirituality is needed, at least now in this present modern world when so many distracting elements are there
True.
and nobody to guide a person properly.
Right.
Internet is confusing.
Right.
So we need one spiritual guidance for our
Beautiful.
children.
Thank you, Guruji. I think this is very important, that concentration, focus, most importantly, as you said, it becomes a guiding factor. So thank you so much for throwing light on this. Srimatre
Srimate.
Namaha.